Okay, we can do this. PPS Diplomate by March 2025, written and oral. Manifest. We can do this, we can do this. By the time you got to see this vlog, we're gonna be a board certified pediatrician. Good morning, guys. So welcome to another video in my vlog channel. Today is another day. It's actually morning and I just woke up. Supposedly I was going to wake up at 4:30 a.m. but I feel like my sleep wasn't so good, so I woke up at 4, but I was still so sleepy, and then ended up waking up at 8. Not my schedule. So anyway, I'm kind of a little bit in a panic mode right now because hindi ko na follow yung schedule ko, but it's fine. The day is still young. Why is still young? I have 10 days left to prepare for my exam. So I think like the panic is sinking in and setting in kasi I'm doing my second readings this time. But anyway, we're gonna wash our face first. This is my morning skincare, guys. I just use like a face wash every morning to wake myself up. Here's the sink. Yung camera ko is like legit in front of me, so I wanna... I have my towel here. So anyway, we're done with the bathroom. Actually, if you guys are wondering why Jem isn't here, he's not here. He's in Europe. He literally left like 2 days ago. And it was so last minute. Like, he found out lang like the day before. Because he had to lead the group. So, yeah. He just booked a ticket 3 days ago. And then he went to Belgium like 2 days ago. So, that's why it's just me. And he's gonna be out of the country for the next 2 weeks. So, it's just really me. Hindi na ako sanay maging alone. Charat! So, I feel like I want coffee first. So, let's go down and make coffee before we start reading. This is my study space, by the way. So, I have like, of course, we always manifest, guys. So, I always wake up to this every morning. I see it, I read it, and I manifest it. These are just random stuff. And I have a candle over here. This was given to me during the Bangkok trip. So, it's really mabango. And I have water. Actually, dalang water. Those are gem stuff. Nilagay ko lang dyan. I have like water. This is JM's. This is mine. So, ayan. Nilagay ko par dalawa. I have my books. Nelson's. This is my study schedule. Second reading. These are my pencil cases. Hindi pala pencil case. Pencil holders. These are my notebooks. These are some of my other notes. And, yeah, just some random stuff over here. Ito, pang tulong, pang relax, Tiger Balm, and yung peppermint. Yeah. So, that is it. That is my small study space, my laptop. And I also have speakers para mag-listen ng songs. If I usually just listen to lo-fi. I also have like study playlist on Spotify. And these are my other channels in case kailangan ko ng palitan. So, this is another candle that Andres gave me for Christmas. This one was also a gift before. I don't remember who gave this. What Zara pala. Hindi ko na makuha. So, anyway, right now we're gonna make some coffee. Ang study schedule ko is I study from the morning until early morning. Lalo na ngayon, guys. 10 days na lang. Wala na pakialam. Basta mag-aaral lang at mag-aaral. Kasi I feel like the panic is sinking in. Today, we're gonna do GI and bacterial infections. Ate? Mag-breakfast na po ako. Breakfast na po ako. Meat na manipis. Pinaray. Ano yan? Yung beef. Okay.
Gusto mo torta, madali.
Sige, yung beef. Kung mayroong beef, yung beef na lang. Tapos itlog. So, we got outside milk. Actually, paubos na siya. So, yan akong na lang. Actually, mayroong UCC. Ito, tsaka yung bread. Meron yung B coffee pods, pero I feel like this is stronger. But I do have a coffee maker ng B coffee. I super love this coffee. Homemade coffee. Nilagay sa rice. Thank you, ate. Have our coffee. New. Okay. We are back. We are back in our small lungga. This is my designated lungga already. I have my coaster. It has Doki in here. And my coffee. Bawal food it sa room ni JM. Our room ni JM. Okay, our. Bawal ito, but nagpaalam ako for the coffee because I need coffee. So, this is from Tempting from Thailand. Inaamay ko lang to guys. Pag gusto ko mag-relax. I need to relax. Alam nyo, tingnan nyo, yung binabasa ko ngayon, lumilipad na kasi yung words outside sa binabasa ko kagabi. So, I feel like sobrang sakit na talaga ng ulo ko. And I really had to sleep. Wala nang sense if magbasa ako pag di na pumapasok sa head ko. So, okay. It's a new day. And it's a new day. Okay, go right now. Since it's already, kita nyo? Saan ko bang nalagay yung cellphone ko? Anyway, okay lang yan. Because madidistract sa phone. I'll just need my iPad. I'm not gonna go near my phone until I'm done with something. So, it's 10:30. Gosh. We are gonna do a 1-hour set. 1-hour set? So, ang goal ko, tapusin ko tong backlog ko for 1 hour. Whatever I will finish, yun yung matatapos ko within that hour. So, we're gonna do a 60-minute and then we're gonna do a 30-minute break in with. Anyway, let's go. Plant that bell. Okay, so it's 10:35 na tapos ay 11:35. Sakto lang. One of the other ways I have been learning is through videos and with the help of Lecturio. I have been using Lecture for a very long time already. Yes, even from medical school. It is an active learning platform for medical students and doctors, especially when it comes to medical exams and more. When it comes to someone like me who needs other learning avenues to retain information, Lecturio videos have helped me in understanding concepts I have a hard time understanding. With experts and enticing visual videos to explain key concepts, these structured short videos highlight a lot of topics covered in medicine, and yes, especially pediatrics. Choose from different organ systems with their wide array of videos. And now with the help of AI Assistant, I can have answers to questions I may need answers on. With quizzes that help me with spaced repetition and their new NMJI Healer, which helps simulate actual patients to real-life experiences, it helps medical students and doctors have a smarter and interactive learning tool. Whether it's studying for medical exams in medical school, USMLE, the physician licensure exam, or even the specialty board exam like me, or any other exam in your medical journey, Lecturio can help you learn better. This time, for their back-to-school campaign, it's 40% off on premium plans plus ECTS certificates. Because this year, it's about learning smarter, not harder. Start your learning journey now with Lecturio. Update. It's already 2:26 in the afternoon. Ay, akala ko malatapos siya by 12 and akala ko like mag-change topic na ako after, even if hindi ko matapos. Pero the OC girl in me, tinapos ko siya. Because of that, nagdire-diretso ako mag-aral. Di ba ako nakapag-lunch, but we're moving on to bacterial infections. So, ang goal is matapos ito and then tonight we'll proceed again with GI. Alam mo yung GI, paulit-ulit. Siguro mga 3 times ko na nabasa yung GI. But for some reason, parang gusto ko lang ma-master. We'll go back again to GI. Nagiging OC kasi talaga ako. Parang, ewan ko, alam mo, skinip ko na tong babalikan ko talaga yung neuro next. Yung neuro yung next kong kailangan balikan kasi I was trying to study it yesterday. Tapos, wala. Nag-lag lang ako nakaganon. Kaya nag-change ako topic to endo kasi ayun yon. So anyway, my goal right now is to study bacterial infections and GI. So we have a lot of time. It's just 2 p.m. So bacterial infections, goal ko matapos ng 7 p.m. 5 hours is enough already. Nabasa ko naman na yung viral and parasitic ulit. So, bacterial and after this, mag-Nelson MCQ. So, goal ito siguro matapos by like 8 p.m. At least, tops 8 p.m. And then 8 p.m. onwards, we're gonna go back to GI. So, that is the plan today. So, marami tayong na-cover na topics today. Tomorrow, it's Nephro Day. Yes. Pero tomorrow natin pag-usapan yung Nephro. So, it's currently 8:29 p.m. Diba? Dami na nangyari. Hindi na ako pag-vlog. I have my water. We also have more water. And more water. And more water. Alam niyo, sobrang lagi ako uminom ng tubig these days. I don't know, it's the kaba and the feeling dehydrated. Feeling dehydrated. At ito na nga yung crope ko. Don't show this to Jem. Mga guys, sa Jem food dito. Hindi, lalabas ka to ulit. But yeah. So, this is homemade crope na niluto ni ate for me. And we have pinakurat. This is my favorite suka of all time. Of all time! Bilang iliganon tayo. Sarap! Okay. Now, I'm ready to aral. I'll update you guys later. Guys, 1 week left na lang po. Sigaw na ako. Sobrang na-addict ako dito sa peppermint field. So, I got this from my cousin's wedding in Chiang Mai. But I'm so kabado na ako, guys. So, I'm reading Nephro. This morning, natapos tayo ng second reading natin ng neuro. I had to get back to it. Feel ko mas okay pa lang yung second reading talaga. Mas na-take in ko. And then, kasi yung usual ginagawa ko ito, parang, I answer, after that, ina-answer ko yung Nelson na MCQ after I read a certain chapter. So, yung mga second reading week, sasagot na rin ako ng mga MCQs. So, ngayon, it's 1:45 p.m. I just came back. I just finished my lunch. Dito lang naman sa bahay. Nag-init lang ako ng pizza na binili ko kagabi and egg. Nagpaluto akong egg. And right now, we are gonna read Nephro. Yung study break ko para naging 1 hour. Sinabay ko na doon yung nanood ng episode ng season 1 ng White Lotus. So, anyway, it was a good study break. So, now let's go back. We are in glomerular diseases. So, I'm actually reading also reviewers from med school. Kasi feel ko sobrang ma-info overload na ako if babalikan ko ulit yung Nelsons at confused na naman ako pag sobrang daming words. So, okay itong mga bullet points. Okay pala yung reviewers talaga namin sa med school, I will say. Okay, stop talking na. Okay. Ito yung view natin. Inopen ko na ng windows and everything. We're gonna do this, guys. Naubos na rin yung coffee ko, tissue na yung laman. Okay, let's do this. In 1 week, magiging PPS diplomate na tayo. March 2025.